Okay, at station 3, we're going to do a few more things to our math journal. The first thing I want you to do is grab the piece of paper that says Math Notebook Rubric. Yours may not be purple. This is the grading guidelines for how I'm going to grade your notebook on notebook check days. So I want you to take a second and look at the 4 categories. They are neatness and organization, content accuracy, having all the required elements, and your illustrations and diagrams. Make sure you read the wow column on how to get a perfect score. Once you've done that, trim it so it's a little bit smaller, and then we're going to glue it to the inside of the front cover. So when you open your math journal, we're going to cover this inside front cover. If it has some writing on it, that's okay. We're still going to cover it up. So right here, you're either going to glue or tape in your math notebook grading rubric. The second thing we're going to glue in is our Better Test Scores graph. So yours looks something like this. It's a bar graph. Every time we take a test, we're going to be graphing our test score. Now, if you see right here at 90%, there's a dotted line. That's because commended performance is 90%, and that's always our goal. There's a solid line at 70%, and 70 is passing. So we always want to be above the dark line when we color in our bar graphs. That's going to go at the back of your journal. So if you'll take your journal, flip it over to the back, we're going to open that inside of the very back cover. So this back cover right here. You're going to trim your test bar graph and glue it in right there. That way it'll be easy to find, even if you have to cover something up. There's one more thing you're going to do at this station. Staying at the back of your notebook, flip back 1 page. So I'm on the very last page of my notebook. So here's the cover. I'm at the very back page. I want you to copy this chart. It's the test goals chart. It's titled Test Goals, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. You might want to pause the video right now so that you can create your chart to look exactly like mine. Make sure you use a ruler to keep your lines really straight. Every time we take a test this year, we'll be setting a goal grade for ourselves, recording our actual grade, ranking our effort level on a scale of 1 to 10, and then making notes about how we can improve for the next test. So get your chart ready. Good luck.